to start off by adding some coffee, followed by some sugar and some hot water. We are now going to mix this. Now that my coffee is a foam type consistency, I'm going to add in my cold milk for the iced coffee. And some hot milk for the hot coffee. And now I'm going to add in the foam on top of the milk. And here we are. We have got some Dalgona coffee. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, as well as hitting the notification bell for more videos like this. Bye.